In today's tutorial, I'd like to introduce you a very simple library that you can use to generate Excel file. Today I will not introduce NPOI, but this library called ExcelMapper. This library is based on NPOI. It's developed by a German architect. German architect. He is very senior, so I know him very well, and he is very dedicated to this library and has been maintained maybe for 4 years, I think. So you can take a look at this library, and it's almost reached 3 million downloads. It's huge. So yeah, you can use this library, and I will show you how to use this library and generate your file super easily. So let's go to this. Okay, so you will see that we have a simple example. So in this example, it's called sample 16, and we have this library called ExcelMapper. So we just using this library, and okay, it's fetched, and we define the product class. Supposing we want to export product entity to the Excel file, then we define the product entity, and it's with name, number in stock, and price. It's a very normal, entity definition. And okay, next, what we do is very simple. You see that the code is so simple, and we just creating a list of product entity, and you will see that we generate some product name like this. Of course, we can use some third-party library like fake.net.js, similar to what's the name, faker.net or something. It's similar to fake.js. Yeah, you can generate a product name as you want, and we just call this one new ExcelMapper save. We fill in the product the Excel file called products.xlsx, and this list, and then the sheet name. So let's see what will happen. That's wrong. Okay, I think it's already done. You see that there are 3 columns as what we defined. So so here's the name, and the number, and the price. You see, it's just simple. No extra code, and then you even don't know NPOI exists, right? But this library is totally based on NPOI. You can see that dependency is based on NPOI. So it's a very good library because it hides some complicated operation based on lower NPOI, and you can totally ignore the existence of NPOI and directly using very simple way to generate this. So actually, I also write a medium.com article about this. Although it's also simple, but it introduces some basic things that you can use to define like formats, like ignoring a column or the column orders or something like this. Yeah, you can take a look. I will put this in the description of this video. Okay, I guess that's all for today. Thank you for watching.